Hello everyone! Tired of spending hours manually collecting lead on LinkedIn? This automation changes the game. It fetches valuable data from LinkedIn, including name, job, location, education, and interest, and save the data directly to Google Sheets. Once the data is collected, it's used to create personalized template emails that can be used for the outreach, like promoting an online course or professional services. With this system, you can scale your marketing efforts effortlessly, target the right audience, and save hours of manual work, all with just a few clicks. So, let us test the workflow. So here we have to enter the details, the data we want from LinkedIn. So here degree I am entering is BDC. And here we have to write the text tag or interest. So here I am writing Merle. And here we have to specify the location that the profile the person should be from, which location. So here I am writing Delhi. So as you can see, my workflow is executing. So let me show you the Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet. So here I have taken these columns. It is empty. And here is the email template. So our automation is executing. I will resume the video after the automation is executed. So as you can see, our execution is executed successfully. So let me show you my Google Sheet. Let me refresh this. So as you can see, the data is saved in my Google Sheet. So here are the profile URLs, their name, their address, what they have done in their graduation. If they have done their master's, then it will be shown. Otherwise, it will be skipped. And here are the person's interest. So what do they like doing, or what text tag they are following? And here are the other information about their profiles. So this was the user data. So let me show you the emails. So these are the email templates. So for Sneha Jha, this is her profile. And here is the subject, the name, the profile, and all the other details that we want to send our course details. So this was it. So let us start building this automation from start. So I have taken this new workflow. So we will start building that automation. So the first note we will be taking is our own form submission. So here we will be selecting none. And here we have to give the title of our form. And the title we can give is Enter Details. And now we have to specify the fields we want to take, like degree. Here we can give the placeholders, like example what we have to write. Right here I will write BTC. We will add other fields also. And here I will be writing the text/interest. And here we can write machine learning. Then we will be taking another field for location. And here we can write, for example, Delhi. So this was our node. So let us execute this. So as you can see, we have made this form, and here we will write like BDC. Here I can write Mumbai. And hit this button. So this node is working fine. So the next node we will be taking is HTTP request. So here it is HTTP request, and here we have to write the URL. So it is a GET request, and here is the URL. So I have written the URL. So before moving forward, we have to do a few things, like first of all, we have to visit this website. It is a programmable search engine. So here we can create our own custom programmable search engine, and we just have to click add, and here we have to give the name. So the name we will be giving is Scrapper User Profiles, and here we can specify our website or just search the entire web page, and here we just have to create this. So here we have got this JSON. So here we have to copy this, and we have to paste this in our automation. So let us start building this. So here we will be sending the query parameter along with this, and the key name is key. And here we have to give the value. So the value I will just copy and paste. So I have pasted my key. So you can get this key from Google Console. So let me show you. So we have to come to Google Cloud and create our project, and from here, if you have, then you can directly click on this. If you haven't, then you can create, and if you click on this. So here are the client ID, client secret, and we just have to copy this and paste it in our automation. One more thing, we have to search for custom search API, and we have to enable this. So this is already enabled. If you haven't, then you have to enable this. So this is done. So the next parameter we will be adding is a CX, and we have to give the code this key. We will just copy and paste this. So using the CX key, so we can daily make 100 API requests, and in each API request, we can fetch up to 10 details, 10 data. So here the next field is a query. So here we have to write our query. So it will be an expression. So here we will be just drag drop in this. So here this after the space, then we will be drag dropping the stack interest and then the location. So our automation will search according to this degree, the tech stack or interest, or the location which we will assign, or interest or the location which we will assign, and after this I have to write. So after this we have to write this. So as you can see, it is dynamically fetch the value. So here it is EdTech Mumbai and from LinkedIn itself. So this is, so let us test this. So as you can see, it is running totally fine, and we will see the details. So here are item which this API has written. So here is the title. So this is the name, the college name, all the other details, the snippet, and here is the description of that guy. So it fetches all the details of that profile. So let us move to the next node. So the next node is a code node. So you have to search code, and we click on this. So here the code node is opened. So now we have to write the code for extracting the key values from those requests. So let me show you. So these are the details which we have fetched. Now we have to write a code which will divide these, which will show these in a table form. So I have already written the code. So I'll just copy and paste. So I have written the code. So what it does, it will take all of these details and give us details like this name, the title, the link, description, image. So it will give us the code in a table form. So I will test this. So here I need the EdTech students, and they should be from machine learning background, and location should be Mumbai. Let us test this. So as you can see, this node is executed successfully, and here we have gotten our data. So our data is in a table format in a well-structured way. So here are the name, the title, the profile link, the snippet, the description, and all other details. So we have gotten 10 items, and here are all the 10 items. So let us move forward. So the next node we will be taking is an OpenAI model. So here is an OpenAI model, and here we will be selecting a message model. So here we have to select the credentials for your model. So if you haven't created, then you can click on Create New Credential and enter your API key, and we don't have to touch this. This is okay. So here we have to select the model that we want to use. So here I will be using a 3.5 Turbo, and here we have to write our prompt. So then the role will be of a system. So here we have to write the prompt. So I'll just make this. So I have already written, so I'll just copy and paste this. So here is my prompt that I am giving. So I am telling OpenAI model that you are a student profile extractor or a profile extractor also, and these are some details which I am assigning, and you have to read all these details and give me the output in a proper format like full name, location, LinkedIn, education, graduation, post-graduation, graduation year, work experience, area of interest or tech stack these details. So I have already written and I have drag-dropped these details. So it will use these details dynamically and give me the output. So let us test this. It will take some time in execution. So I will resume the video after it is done. So it is done. So I have gotten all the details like full name is this, location it is from Mumbai, Maharashtra, LinkedIn profile is this, education is he is doing B, tech in electrical and M, tech in this one, and we have gotten all the details, and here is our tech stack: machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, etc. So we are done with this node. So the next node we will be taking is a code node. So here is our code node. So here we have to write the code, which will extract these from this JSON syntax to a normal table syntax. So I have written this code, and you can also take the help of ChatGPT. Just give this input and tell that I have to extract each and every element differently. So this node is executed successfully. So these are the details. So here this is the name, the address, the education, the graduation, the post-graduation, the work experience, the tech stack interest, and other relevant information which we require. So this node is also working fine. So the next node we will be taking is a wait node. So we will wait for the execution of all the nodes. So now we are done with this. So the next node we will be taking is a Google Sheet node. So here we will be selecting this, and here we have to select append row in the sheet. So here we have to select the credential of our Google accounts. So here I have already entered. If you haven't, then you can create new credential and connect your Google Drive account from this. And here the operation is append row. Here we have to select the documentation document. So here I am selecting the student data, and the sheet is so here in my that document I have to hit email and data. So I am doing this data one. So now it will fetch all the columns from that student sheet. So here is my student sheet. So you can see I have columns full name, location, LinkedIn URL, graduation, post-graduation, interest, and other. So these are the columns, and you can see it has fetched all the columns from my that profile. So I will just have to drag and drop this. So I will drag this. So every time dynamically it will fetch all the details. Along with that, I am giving the education, like which college he had studied. So I have given these details. Now I will test this node. So as you can see, the node is executed successfully. So let me show you my sheet. So the first name is this Pito Banerjee. So we will see this. So as you can see, this was the node, and here it has saved all the details. So here is the name, the address, here is the name, here is the address, the LinkedIn profile. In graduation, he has done BTech. Tech, and here are the interest in which field he is interested, and here is the other details like internship or the college name where he has done the graduation. Like before this person, he has done graduation from Thakir College of Engineering. So these are saved. So we will be, and also we have gotten all the profiles. So here is this person profile. If we click on this, then we will move to that person profile. So let us move back to our automation. So we are done with this, and now the next node we will be taking is an OpenAI model. So here's the model. So here we have to select the credentials. So I am selecting this, and here we have to select the model. So I am using 3.5 Turbo, and the next we have to write our prompt. So it will be a system. So here we have to select this one, and here we have to write the email template for that, and I have already written this. So I will just copy and paste. So this is our email template, and here will be the name. Hi, the name, then the profile link, and this is the details about the course that we will be providing, a one-on-one mentorship, interview preparation, all the other things, and here you can give your regards. So here I will update this. So here I have written this. So we are done with this node. So it will create the email template for each profile with their details. So I will just test this step. So as you can see, we have written our customized emails. So we have gotten all the emails. So the next node we will be taking is a Google node. So let me just check this. So here are our customizable emails. So here we have this tech portal. This is the subject, here is the name, then the body at the end, warm regards, name of the company, these details. So the next node we will be taking is a Google Sheet. So here we have to select append row, and here we have to select the Google Sheet, and now we will be choosing the same Google Sheet. So I have selected the student data. So I have selected the student data. Now we have to select the sheet. So I am saving these templates in the email folder. So now it has dynamically fetched the columns from my net. So I'll just paste this in the column. And here we have to give the names. So the name of the person is this, and here is the profile link. So we have the name, the profile, and the email template that we have to send to that user. So I'll just refresh this. So now we are seeing if our model will execute or not. So it will take some time. I will resume the video after I am done. So the node is executed successfully. So here it has saved all the details to my Google Sheet. So let me show you. So the last person it has entered is Sharik Ali. So let me show you his details. So this is the email. So here we will be seeing the Sheikh Ali's email. So here is his LinkedIn profile, and here is the custom template email. So hi Sheikh Ali, and these are the other details, and here we have our company name. So this is running okay. So let us test this in more ways. So like we need a person who is pursuing BBA and he is doing MBA finance, and we are not selecting any specific location. So let us test this if it will run or not. So as you can see, the code is executed successfully. So let us test. So here is my data. So I have searched for MBA. So here it is giving me the data of MBA, the person, and I haven't specified any location. So that's why it is giving all the details, and here are other details. So what are their interests, and here are the other details. So let us test it one more time. So now I need to search for BBA. So now we will be searching for BBA, and the text we will be searching for is Android, and the location should be Mumbai. So it will take some time. I will resume the video after it is done. So the execution is done. So we were searching for the BCS students. So here are the BCS students. So these are from location Mumbai, Maharashtra, and these are their LinkedIn profiles, and here are the other details. So it is working fine. Now let us see their email templates. So these are their custom email templates. So name, profile, and here is the template, the subject, the body, and here are the course details and other things. So whether you are selling courses, offering services, or growing your network, this system dopes the heavy lifting. So you can focus on what really matters, ready to take your lead generation to the next level. So let's automate the growth, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next automation video. Happy automation!